शूरवादी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
Very nice, wonderful. So, who wants to try the shloka?
Can I, Mataji?
Ramachandra, why did you switch off your video?
It's not letting me on it.
Who wants to try the shloka? Raise hands. Krishna Nayana. Go ahead.
Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhamma pavitram paramam bhavan purusham sashvatam divyam adidevam majam vibhum ahishtam vishaya sarve devarshi naradastada ashitos devalo vyasa swayam chaiva pravishime.
Very nice. Rishikesh.
Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhamma pavitram paramam bhavan purusham sasvatam divyam adidevam ajam vibhum ahustvam rishya sarve devarshi naradastata ishito devalo vyasah swayam chaiva bravisime. Thank you, Mataji.
Wonderful. Who wants to go next?
Mataji, can Mukund go?
Yes, Mukund, go ahead.
Mataji, can you change it on another slide? Because I know it.
Okay.
Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan purusham shashvatam divyam adidevam ajam vibhum ahosthavashya sarve devarshi naradastatha asito devalo vyasa swayam chaiva pravishime. Hare Krishna.
Ramachandra se.
Who's that?
Ramachandra.
Me Balram.
Mataji can Akshita se.
Okay, can Ramachandra and Balram go together in chorus?
Mataji, what about the how thing?
Sorry.
What about the how thing?
Okay, Ramachandra and Balram together. Let's see how nicely you both will cooperate now. In chorus, you both have to go. Come on, start. 1, 2, 3.
Pavitram paramam bhavam purusham shashvatam divyam adidevam majam vibhum ahustvam rishya sarve devarshi naradhastata asito devalo vyasa swayam chaiva pravishime.
Very good. Both of you almost ended and started to say. Who wants to go next?
Akshita.
Akshita. Let's see if somebody.
Hi, Prahlad, go.
Akshita and Prahlad. Okay. Okay, both of you, Akshita and Prahlad. Let's see now how you both will do. Come on, start. 1, 2, 3, start.
Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhamma pavitra paramam bhavan adidevam majam vibham purusham shashvatam divyam adidevam ajam vibham ahustvam rishaya sarve devashid naradastata ashito devalo vyasa swayam chaiva bravishime.
Yeah, Prahlad was ahead of Akshita. Very nice. I could hear both of you clearly. Is there anybody else who wants to try?
Suraj.
Mataji and Varun.
Okay, Suraj, then Varun, okay?
Okay.
Suraj, go ahead. Where are you? I don't see you.
Okay. I'll start my video. Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhamma pavitram paramam bhavan
पुरुषं शाश्वतं दिव्यम् आदिदेवम् अजं विभुम् आहुस्त्वां ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा अचितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषिमे.
Very good. Varun,
Mataji,
Okay. Mataji, can I do it?
can Nandini go after Varun?
yes.
Okay.
Varun, go ahead.
Okay. Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhamma pavitram paramam bhavam purusham shashvatam divyam adidevam jam vibhum ahusam shaya sarve devashirnaradastata asito devalo vyasa swayam chaiva bravishime.
Who wants to go next? Nandini, right? Nandini is there?
Yeah.
Is there anybody else who wants to go?
Can I say with Nandini Mataji and Krishna?
Yes, Nandini and Krishna, go ahead.
Okay. Arjuna Uvacha Param Brahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavam Purusham Shashvatam Divyam Adidevam Ajam Vibhu Ahustum Rishya Sarve Deveshya Naradastata Ashito Devalo Veshya Swayam Chaiva Bravishime. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you,
Very
Mataji.
nice.
Mataji, can I go?
Can you say your name?
My name is
Huh?
My name
Who wants to go?
Sri Lakshmi.
Oh, Sri Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi and some. Is there anybody else who wants to go? Maybe you both. Oh. Who wants to go with Sri Lakshmi? Ojasvi, you want to say?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Sri Lakshmi and Ojasvi.
Arjuna uvacha param brahma param dhamma pavitram paramam bhavan purusham shashvatam divyam adidevam ajam vibhum ahastvam rishaya sarve devarshir naradastata ashito devalo vyasah swayam chaiva pravishime.
Okay. Who wants to go next? Is everybody done? Done? Yes or no?
Yeah, I think Mataji.
Okay, then we will get into our discussion. Okay. Krishna, can you close the door?
What's the how is Krishna God? Should that be 2021 instead of 2020?
Oh, I put 2000. Did I put wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for that correction. Okay. So where did Mataji stop yesterday? Who can tell me? What was the discussion yesterday? In somebody else's hand? Who can tell me? Who is raising hand? Ramachandra always tells. Ramachandra, do you remember what was the discussion yesterday?
We were talking about how Lord like the main topic was that how the devotees control Lord Krishna.
Okay, Mukund is raising hand. Mukund, go ahead.
Mataji, can you repeat the question one time?
Yes, what was the discussion yesterday? What did Sita Priti Mataji say? What was the summary?
Mataji, I don't know. I kind of forget it right now, but I wanted to answer this question that you're showing.
Okay, and that's okay. I'll get come.
It's about Ambrish Maharaj. That a devotee, one of the qualities of a devotee is that it forgives anyone.
Okay, so Ramachandra said you gave few points and Mukund gave few points. So Today we will be discussing, so at the end you will understand what we were discussing, but we are starting with this question. Do you know what are the 4 goals of a living entity that the Vedas describe? Mukund, let's see if anybody else knows, and then I'll come back to you. Okay? Let me see if anybody is raising hands. I don't see. Okay, Mukund, go ahead.
Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Very good. Yeah. So the Vedas, as Mukund said, they mention 4 goals for a living entity. Okay. The 4 goals, as Mukund was telling, is Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. These are the 4. These are called as Chaturvida Purush Arthas. Purusha is Jiva, right? So Chatur means 4. So these are the 4 things that the Vedas are prescribing that a living entity has to achieve. Goal means what? Goal.
Something you want.
Goal means what? You all have goals, right? Yes or no? How many of you have a goal that you should study very well?
Goal means like something that
Okay,
you
how
want.
many of you have a goal that you have to chant very well? How many of you have a goal that if you like sports, like you have to become a good sportsman? Sportsman or sports? How many of you have a goal of
I don't want to be sportsman, but I would love to take that as a career if I can.
okay? How many of you want to become a nice music player? Drawing, artist, painting, like that. We all can you close it? We all have our goals, right? Yeah, we discussed in a few weeks before also, like how the goals can be. So many discussions we have did, right? So the Vedas are prescribing 4 goals for all of us. One is dharma. So what is dharma? Righteousness. Like any activity, we're not going into so much depth, but we will just see at a very base level for our understanding. So dharma means whatever you're doing, you follow dharma, means the righteousness, not illegally, you go on a right path. So that is one thing. Artha is when you do an activity, you get money, right? You're getting money, so earning money. What is kama? Who can say?
I know.
Yes, tell.
Fulfilling our desire.
Kama is our
Desire.
we have desires, and kama is fulfilling of our desire. So what is moksha? So
Liberation.
Liberation.
so what a living entity will do? Now he's following dharma, then he will get a lot of money, then he with that money, like he's fulfilling all his desires. Now the living entity will think, okay, after all this there is still something. That is moksha, liberation. So these are the so what is moksha? Moksha is like we will keep all of you in one room, not together. Like Mukund is in one room, Suraj is in one room, Jagannath is in one room, Chandra, Deen, Krishna, you're all in one room. Nobody is talking with you. You don't have anybody, but you don't have any miseries. Like you don't have any problems, but you're in one room. Will you like that? You feel like having an exchange. You will feel like having somebody for us, right? Do you like that? Like sitting just inside, quietly.
Yeah, I hate playing all by myself. It's so boring.
how many-
I hate it.
No. Yeah.
Mataji,
Amma.
it's called separation.
It's not separation. I'm saying like, so moksha means when you're liberated, you're just going and sitting in the light of Krishna. You don't have any problems, like no old age, no disease, no death, nothing will come. But you don't have anybody, you're just sitting there. You want to be like that, or you want to go to Goloka and play with Krishna and the cowherd boys? No, right? So these are the 4 the Vedas are prescribing. But now what happened? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Vedas said Chaturvida. Now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and said Panchama Purushartha. So he added one more. What is that? What is that? Godhead.
Love of the Godhead.
Ultimate goal.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said,
Godhead is the ultimate. Love of God.
Prema.
Godhead.
Prema for Krishna.
Yeah, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and said that, yeah, not all these four, you should have love of Godhead. So he said that as the fifth goal. So now what will the devotees do? Will the devotees want dharma? What do you think? Yes or no? Do you think devotees will ask for dharma, artha, kama?
No.
No.
Right? Devotees
only ask for this one.
Yes, that's true. So devotees will not ask for anything. They only want love to. They only want to give love to Krishna. So then, who knows Brahma Samhita shlokas?
Me.
What is the first shloka?
Can I say?
Yes, Jagannath. Okay. So the first thing starts with Chintamani. That means Goloka is Chintamani Dham, that you have lot of Chintamani touchstones. Goloka is full of touchstones. What is a touchstone? Who knows?
Me. I know, Mataji.
Yes, tell what is touchstone.
And when you touch something, it'll turn into gold. Like, I think so.
Yeah, touchstone will give anything. Like you touch the stone and you say, I want this, it will give. You touch the stone and you say, I want a gulab jamun, it will give. You touch the stone and say, I want a toy, it will give. So touchstone will fulfill all your desires, and Goloka is full of Chintamani stones. But nobody will even want the Chintamani there. They only want Krishna. They just use I heard somewhere that they use the Chintamani stone as the door stopper. They just use it to stop the door. You know the door stoppers, right? When you keep a stone, the door doesn't close. So what happens? So devotees, as you said, are not asking for anything from the Lord. They don't want anything, but what? Who knows this shloka? Nama Chintamani Krishna. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya.
Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Nitya Mukta Namo.
Yeah, so devotees are not asking for anything, but the Harinam itself is Chintamani. It's like a touchstone. So what is happening? The Chintamani, the touchstone Harinam, the Krishna's name is only giving anything. And devotees always take the shelter of only Krishna's names. So devotees will automatically get whatever, that Harinam Chintamani will give devotees everything. So now let's see few scenarios. So devotees are saying, I don't want liberation, I only want you, Krishna. So now let me ask you all one question. Rishikesh. So Rishikesh is at home and his mom is very busy. Dad went to office and Rishikesh is just at home. So what is the mom doing? Mom says, okay, I am busy. Just read a book. So what will you do after some time? You read a book. After some time, what will you do, Rishikesh?
I will
Will you keep reading the book? Will you keep reading the book on and on?
After a little bit, I will start playing.
After playing, what will you do? Okay, you think, and I will just go to somebody else. Who wants to?
Me.
Wait, I will come back to you.
Please, me.
No, let Mokshit. Mokshit is there. So Rishikesh said he will read book, and after some time his mom will give him some. She will say, "Okay, play with the toys." So what will you do? You're done with reading. You're done with playing. Then what will you do, Mokshit?
Do chanting.
You'll do chanting. Okay. So Mokshit said he will do chanting. So Deen, what will you do? Playing is done, reading is done, chanting is done. Now what will you do?
I will. I need to think.
You need to think about it. Okay,
Oh, I know. I will.
Ramachandra.
Well, I would go to my mom and says I'm bored.
I'm waiting for this answer. So Ramachandra is saying that he will go to his mom and he will say that I am bored. So, so in this picture you're seeing, right?
I want to tell.
Okay. Oh, you can tell. Wait. So now mom is giving everything, toys, food, everything. But the child after some time says, I am bored. I just want you only. Maybe I will talk with you or I will play with you. I don't want all these things, Mama. Please, I want to be with you. Will you say that, right? So similarly, devotee is always saying, Krishna, I don't want this. I don't want dharma. I don't want artha. I don't want kama. But I only want you, Krishna. I don't want anything. So when you say like that, what will mother do, Ramachandra? Will she still say, hey, no, go, I'm very busy? Or will she say, oh, she'll wash her hands? She will say, okay, wait, I'm coming. Will she sit with you for some time?
Yes, she will stop and like.
She will stop.
Can I say?
Okay, next you can say.
Well,
She will stop and come.
Well, if my mom's busy and I ask her to play or something, because she sometimes get cake sodas and something, so she's busy, I just go do something else.
No, I'm saying if you're really serious and if you say in a very emotional way that, Mama, I'm feeling, when I'm busy also, many times when my kids come, I say, please, you do, I am very busy. But there will be days where they will, really feel bad that they're very bored. Then I will think, no, I have to stop doing what I'm doing. Maybe I have to go and sit with them. So I will do like that.
So
No, next question is for you. That's done. So similarly, Krishna also will, if you are asking like in such a emotional and with lots of love, Krishna, I want you only, then Krishna will definitely reciprocate that way, right? So the point here is why I asked you this is, suppose if a child is reluctant, child is happy, busy playing, the mother is busy with her work. If the child is busy eating, the mother is busy with the work. But only when the child is approaching the mother and in a loving way and in an emotional way, the child is saying, Amma, I want only you, Amma, please come. Then the mother will definitely go. So similarly, Krishna is not partial, but just like a devotee's love is unmotivated, just like a devotee's love is uninterrupted, Krishna's reciprocation, so there should be reciprocation, right? I tell something, you should say something. So Krishna is also reciprocating in the same way. So now here, demons, what will the demons do? They want to fight with Krishna. So Krishna said, okay, you want to fight with me? Okay, he will create that kind of situation. And some want to play with Krishna. Krishna will reciprocate that way. And some want to do something else with Krishna. Krishna will reciprocate that way. And similarly now Mother Yashoda, she's showing lot of motherly love to Krishna, right? She's showing lot of motherly love. That's why Krishna, to make her happy, what is he doing? He's reciprocating the same way. To make her feel more motherly, affectionate, to build up that, happiness in her, he's acting like a normal child, crying, rubbing his eyes, running, saying, I am hungry. Otherwise, like we discussed last week, Krishna is Atmaram, he doesn't need anything. He will not feel like, he doesn't want anything. But just to reciprocate, because she is approaching in a motherly affection, he is also reciprocating that way. Demons wanted to fight, he is also reciprocating that way. Somebody want a friendly relationship, he will reciprocate that way. So Krishna is not partial. Whatever we do, he will reciprocate that way, just like a mother. If your mother is reluctant, the mother will think, okay, maybe he doesn't want my help. Maybe like, he's very, suppose a child is very reluctant. I'm not talking about, small things. Sometimes the kids don't want to listen. They will say, I don't want you, just leave me alone. Then what will the mother do? The mother will say, okay. She'll feel bad, but she will say, okay. So similarly, Krishna also, okay, however you approach, I will reciprocate the same way. So that is the thing. But now you might say that, oh Mataji, then I don't have so much love towards Krishna. I cannot approach him I cannot approach him in a loving way. So how many of us are loving Krishna, and how many of us are trying to love Krishna? Who is raising hand for number 1? How many of you are loving Krishna? Okay. Krishna is saying is loving Krishna. Very good. Okay. How many of us are trying to love Krishna? I'm raising my hand.
Me.
I'm raising my hand.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's okay. We might think that Mataji, like sadhus and sages, I don't have it's not that I don't have desires. I have a lot of desires. I want my desires to be fulfilled. I am not able to love Krishna like that sadhus, without any motivation, without any interruption. I want to something. So now what is Krishna saying in this shloka? Who knows this? Akam, who wants to read this? No, I'm looking for some new people. Just give me, wait. Who didn't get a chance? We will try to- who is that Mataji?
Me, Dhanvin.
Oh, Dhanvin, go ahead.
Akamaha sarva kamo va moksha kama udara divena
Tirvena bhakti
bhakti
yogena.
yogena yajeta purusham param.
Yeah. So Jagannath, can you read the translation for us?
Person who has
Broader,
broader intelligence, whether he be
full of
full of
all
all material desire, without any material desire, or desiring liberation, must be all means worship the Supreme Whole, the personality of Godhead.
See, Krishna is clearly saying if we have material desire or if we don't have material desire, but still he's saying to worship him. So Krishna knows us that not everybody 100% will be, without any desires. Krishna understands our situation. So Krishna gave us this shloka and he's saying, it's okay. If you have desires, you worship me. If you don't have desires, you worship me. You know who is there on the screen? Who is that famous personality on the screen?
Dhruva Maharaj.
While he took his picture, Dhruva Maharaj initially had bhakti, or he wanted to desire? What was
Desire.
He had a material
desire of what? Desire of what?
Having to get a
bigger kingdom than his great grandfather Brahma.
So
can't hear you anymore.
what did he say later? What happened? Did he wanted the desire to be fulfilled, or he wanted love of Godhead?
Mataji, I cannot see his
The love of Godhead.
Yeah. How did that happen? How did that happen? Why did that happen, and how did that happen?
He saw the Lord.
Because he's
Because he was taking the name of the Lord, right? Narada Muni comes and instructs him, and Narada Muni said what to say. Question. Question. Next time I will ask you, okay?
Mataji.
So because he was taking the names of God, all the material desires are gone. So even though we might not be at the stage of no material desires at all, still if we take the names of God, what will happen when you touch a fire?
your hand will burn.
Yeah, the holy name is also like that fire. When you're taking it, it will burn all your desires, and it will make us desire free, and it will make us have only one desire. That is what? Love of
Godhead.
love of Godhead. So now we saw today we saw about dharma, artha, kama, moksha, and how these sages and pure devotees will not want to have all these goals, but they want to have only the love of Godhead. And we have seen that Krishna reciprocates the way we approach him. He is not partial. His reciprocation is also unmotivated and uninterrupted. He doesn't have any motives thinking that, I like Ramachandra. So if he doesn't do anything also, I will give him Godhead. I don't like Krishna Nayana. So how much hard work she does also, I will not give her anything. He will not think like that. His reciprocation is also unmotivated, no motivation. It is purely dependent on how we approach him. So we have seen those two things, and now we will see, like, we say Krishna is Bhakta Vatsal, like he's very dear to his devotees, he loves his devotees. So last time we have seen couple of pastimes, and today we will see couple of pastimes, and we will do a very beautiful and different and very simple drawing. You all will do it. So let's go to the pastimes. We will finish that and we will start our drawing.
Saying Ramdas.
Yeah. So what is it called?
It's 10:47.
I think we will do one pastime then. How many of you know Ramadas Vipra?
Me.
Okay. Okay. There's a very beautiful pastime to say how Lord reciprocates. You know, he's a Bhakta Vatsa. Last time we have seen Krishna holding the chappal of Draupadi. That pastime we have seen last week. So today we will see. Ramdas Vipra is from Chaitanya Charitamrita and is a very nice devotee of the Lord. And he was, he loves Ramayana and he loves Lord Ram. So one time what happens, Ramdas Vipra calls Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for lunch. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will go. This is in Madurai. Madurai is in Tamil Nadu, South India. So he will go, he will call. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will say, okay, I will come for lunch. Then he will go take a bath in Kirtamala, I think. I forgot the name of the river. He will take bath there and he will go to Ramdas Vipra's house. And you know what Ramdas Vipra say? Ramdas Vipra will be very busy. He will be saying that, how my mother Sita is, kidnapped, how my mother Sita is, feeling so bad. He will be engrossed in those thoughts. And then when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes and Mahaprabhu says, you call me for lunch? Where is lunch? Then Ramdas Vipra is so absorbed, he will say, wait, mother Sita is kidnapped and she is in the Ashokvan. Maybe you have to wait till she comes. If she comes and cooks something, I will feed you. Jagannath, stop it. She will say, I will feed you. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will understand that, there is something, he's thinking too deeply. Then what will happen? After some time, Ramdas Vipra will come out of those thoughts and he will look at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he will say, my Lord. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will say, you said you will come, you want me, you call me for lunch. Then he will like, I have to feed you lunch. And then he will offer lunch. Then what will happen? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will ask, you also eat. Why don't you eat? Then he will say, no, I'm not in a good mood to eat. I don't want to eat. I'm so sad and I'm so upset. Then Mahaprabhu will ask, why are you upset? Then he will say, this Ravan kidnapped my mother Sita and mother Sita is Jagan Mata. And how come this demon Ravan was able to touch mother Sita? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explains saying that, don't feel bad. If you're worried that Ravan, if you're worried that Ravan touched Mother Sita, that was not Mother Sita, it was Shadow Sita. Don't worry. He didn't touch. But he was not listening. He was not understanding. He was not listening. So later Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again went to South India tour. So he was going to a different place. And I think in Srirangam, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so there are in Srirangam, they were reading some Puran. I forgot the name of that Puran also. I think.
What is the Puran?
Some Puran, Garuda Puran. Okay, I don't want to speculate, but I forgot the name of the Puran. So they all are sitting and reading some scriptures. Then in that scripture, clearly it was described about Ramayana, and they mentioned that how Sita was kidnapped, and anyways, Ravana, the one Ravan touched was not Mother Sita, it was shadow of Sita. So all the explanation was there. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, can I get a copy of this? Because he wanted to take it and he wanted to give to Ramdas Vipra so that he will read it and he will understand that, my Sita was not touched by anybody, and then he will feel some solace. So he wanted to do that and he asked, can I get a copy? But those days it was not like today, right? You cannot take a printout, you cannot take a Xerox, you can't fax it. Those facilities are not there. So they said, this is just only one copy is there and we cannot give. So you know what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did? He sat by himself and he wrote everything, whatever is there in that book. He wrote it for Ramdas Vipra. He himself wrote, he took some lot of time, wrote it, and then he took the whole scripture, whatever he has written, he took it and he gave it to Ramdas Vipra. And Ramdas Vipra read it and he felt happy. So the point here is Lord reciprocates very nicely with his devotees. As I said, like when we are taking Lord and when we are taking his name, that is Chintamani. It will fulfill all. Though we don't want desires, automatically our desires are fulfilled. But you can say, Mata Ji, how is that possible? It is possible only when you chant. When you chant only, you can get that reciprocal. When you chant and when you take the Chintamani only, like if you have to touch the stone first, you have to take it with you and then you have to see if it is working or not. So this Chintamani, you touch your bead bag, you take the name from your mouth, then you will know if it is working or not. Right? How many of us are going to try chanting very nicely from today? I know you all are chanting, but a little bit better chanting if you do, then we all can understand how it is Chintamani and how it is going to fulfill all our nice, beautiful desires. What you want to tell? That is not. Okay. So, that is the pastime to say that. Last time we saw one pastime of him holding Draupadi's chappal, showing that is Bhakta Vatsal. And now we saw Ramdas Vipra's pastime, which shows that Krishna is Bhakta Vatsala. Okay. So I wanted to say one more, but we don't have time. We will start our drawing because it's a very, very beautiful, simple. You all will like it. Can you all go get paper and pencil? Jagannath, can you log in?
Mataji.
Yes, go. I will be drawing with you. And Jagannath, can you?
Mataji, I got my art notebook and my pencil.
Wonderful. Dina Krishna, go. Dina Krishna also likes drawing. I will show you.
I like to be the draw.
See, Dina Krishna drew this. Did you like it? He did it by himself.
It's a little small.
Where?
My shingle, it looks good.
Yeah.
Mataji,
That's really good.
I got it.
Okay, let's go. You know what we are going to do? Let me show you. Where am I? Dina Krishna, go get a paper. See, I don't know if I see, we are going to draw lots of hearts and draw Krishna's face and ears and everything using hearts, because Krishna is very dear to his devotees, and showing our dear and love, the symbol is heart. So we will learn how to draw. Okay,
Mataji, can you show the drawing again?
I will draw with Jagannath.
Mataji, could you off your screen and spotlight yourself, because I can't see you because
Yeah, yes. Jagannath is holding, he's spotlighting. Just give me a minute, okay?
Mataji, can you show the drawing again?
No, I'm showing, I'm drawing, I'm starting. Are you all ready with paper and pencil? It's very easy.
Yes,
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji.
Mataji,
Can you stop screen sharing first?
Screen share, yes, we will do that. Stop it, Jagannath, and spotlight the other. Wait, I will spotlight.
Wait, could you show me the picture, Mataji?
Okay, and spot.
There's another one called Hare Krishna Kids.
See, we are going to Jagannath. Don't move it, okay? So we are going to do this, but we are using only like lots of hearts to make this drawing. So let's start. Are you all ready? Shall we start?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
So I am just in a little bit slanting position. So my heart and all might be slanting. So you draw it in the center. So first draw a big heart. Yeah, first let's draw a big heart for Krishna's face.
Mataji, can you wait?
Yes, I will wait.
Can you tell the step again?
Draw a big heart.
Yeah, draw a big heart for face. Because it's like this, I'm not able to see.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay, did you all draw heart?
Yeah. Yes,
Mine
ma'am.
might be
Can you
little
see
bit.
the paper? I didn't do it.
I'm still doing it. This is my heart, Mataji.
After who all are we ready?
Yes, Mataji.
Mine isn't that big. That's okay, Mataji.
Yes, all of your hearts are very good. Maybe here in the chin, little bit you can do flat because it's going to be Krishna's face, right? So a little bit flat. Not pointed V. Instead of pointed V, flat V. Here. So after you finish, we are going to do a heart here again.
Mataji, is mine good?
All of where are you? Let me see. So we are giving
What
so
is
many
this?
hearts to Krishna.
Are we
saying that I
Are
love
we
you,
drawing
Krishna.
a picture
Where are
out
you?
of hearts?
Yes, good.
I can't do it. It's not coming properly because
Krishna Naina, see, I'm showing you very easy. Just draw like that and draw like this.
Mataji, can you show your paper?
You can erase here and just make it a little bit flat.
Can you show your paper, Mataji?
Don't draw. Oh, give me a minute. Don't
Are
draw
we drawing
very
a
hard, okay?
picture
Put
with
light.
a heart?
Mataji, this is Akshita's. Is this okay?
Akshita, I saw yours. Yes, it's perfect.
Mataji, what do you do after you do the big heart?
Yeah, see, I'm showing. After you do the big heart, you draw a small heart here. And again, inside, you will draw a heart like that. Oh. I'm sitting in the side
Mataji,
drawing,
what are
so
we
mine is kind
drawing?
of-
Mataji, can you show your paper?
Mataji, I'm done, Mataji. Mataji, I'm done.
Okay, so after you finish this, again draw one more smaller heart. Okay, smaller one. It should be smaller than the down one. Okay.
Yes, Mataji, then
Then you do like a peacock, like a feather. You keep going like that.
Yes.
Mataji, can you please show your paper?
Mataji. Okay,
Please show
Mataji.
your paper.
Maybe this mine became very big heart.
Mataji.
Amma,
Does Krishna faces like a heart, but it should be like a circle or
no, let's see. Is it looking like face or it's looking like heart? Finally, it's looking like a face only, right?
yeah.
Mataji,
Can I see your paper, Mataji?
Mataji, could we go to the next step, Mataji?
Yes. So now we are doing the next step. We are going to the ears. Okay. So ears.
Mataji, I didn't draw the eyes yet.
No, you don't have to draw eyes now. You have to draw the
I
ears.
only drawed a big heart. That's it.
So see, we are
What's
now
the second step? What's the second step?
second step is here. See, you will draw. Jagannath, can you focus?
Make a small heart.
Yeah, small heart and again a small heart here. Okay, now draw.
Where do we draw the small hearts?
Just give me a minute. See, is that Sri Lakshmi?
Yeah.
You have to give me a minute. Okay, see, now we are drawing these, Jagannath. So we are drawing two hearts. See, like ears, two hearts, this side and that side. So this is the first ear and the second ear.
Mataji, we can see your paper. Mataji, we can, Mataji.
See, when you're drawing ears, just from this ear, try to draw a line. So that you can start the other ear on the same side.
Mataji, is this good? Mataji, is this good? Mataji, this is Keshavi.
Good.
Mataji, can you show your paper?
Is that Ojasvi?
Yes, Mataji.
Can you wait, Ojasvi, for just few seconds?
She needs to go. You need to go to Hare Krishna Kids.
Already spotlighted.
Okay, so now you will draw 2 hearts as ears. See, 1 and then 2. And you will put the earrings also as hearts. Okay. So now the ears are done. So I'm putting again 3 hearts as earrings. 1, 2. Mine, as I said, I'm sitting on one side and drawing. So it can be little bit twisted. I'm not, if I turn like this and draw, maybe it will be easy for me.
Wow. And then we can't see it. It's upside down.
Huh? That's why, yeah, that's why you got it.
No, I can do like this thing.
Mataji, done.
Okay, did you draw the earrings?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, those who finished, just please wait for others, our friends. Okay, so ears are done.
Mataji, I'm not ready.
Yeah, we will just wait for, what's the time? Oh, we have 10 more minutes.
Mataji, is this good?
Is that?
Kushi.
Mataji, is this good?
Jagannath, are you showing? Yes. Wow, that means very nice. Who's showing?
Kushi.
Yes, nice. Go ahead.
What's our next step, Mataji?
Okay, next step is now draw Krishna's neck. See this part, Jagannath. So we are going to draw this neck. Okay. So from this chin on either side, we will start drawing the neck.
Krishna has a very thin neck.
Mataji, is this good, Mataji?
We show it.
Keshavi.
Mataji, this is Akshita's.
Mataji, this is Keshavi.
Let me see. Just Jagannath, I will look at you. Where is Akshita?
Mataji, this is
Akshita, good.
Mataji, this is Keshavi.
Keshavi, good. No, see, look, your neck is very, very thin. You have to make little bit fat.
Okay.
Okay, so after you finish drawing the neck, now comes Krishna's flute. So just draw a sleeping line, like a bar. Okay. We are drawing Krishna's flute. And we know how to.
Mataji, we can see what we can.
Sarika pattuko.
Yes.
చూసుకో సరిగ్గా వాళ్ళకి కనపడుతుందా లేదా చూసుకొని అట్లా పెట్టు.
Yeah, this is the ugly one.
So, can I have some time?
Flute is done. How many of you finished flute?
Mataji.
Okay, after the flute is done, I'm showing you one more step. So this Jagannath, you have to see when you're spotlighting, you have to see. So now you see this top near the peacock feather, right? So from here we are starting Krishna's head. Okay. So we will go like this, okay? And we will go like this. Okay, like that. From here, from this heart on the either sides, you have to join till the ears.
Okay,
Mataji, this is mine. It's like the head is fine, right, Mataji?
Mataji, can you show me the
Mataji, this
flute?
is
Can you
Kushi.
show us the flute?
Yeah, so this is the original.
Watch the video.
Mataji, this is Kushi's.
Yes, Kushi, good. Go ahead. So now what we are doing is, did you finish this one? Then comes Krishna's hair. So see, this part is there, right? So from this heart, you are bringing the hair all the way till here. Okay. So from the center of this thing, you are bringing Krishna's hair. You can actually, I didn't get time to color. Jagannath. Sarika pettu kasepu move cheyko sarika pettu. So see, this
Now
one
it
is color
looks
actually
like
black when you
Krishna's
color.
head, Mataji.
So that is Krishna's hair. Actually, you can do black inside when you color, na? You can color black. So then here, pretty much we are done with everything. Then we are drawing a heart here. Just you can decorate however you want, but because we took the theme as offering hearts, everything is heart, and again comes a peacock feather. So this is our
Like this, Mataji.
flute.
Like this, Mataji.
Yes, Deep. Very good. Color it is very nice. I think it's going to color. So after that, now in the bottom, we are again hanging. You know, the flute will have pearls and so many things hanging, right? But we are hanging here hearts. You can draw how long you want, how many you want. That's fine. That is the. How many of you finished till here? Isn't it interesting? With hearts, we finished. We're making Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
So if you all finished with this, then we will go to the final step of Krishna's face.
Eyes in the mouth.
So we don't have time. I think we can take a minute, and then I can wait for a minute, and then we can go and do Krishna's
Can
eyes.
we go to the next step, Mataji?
Okay, then we will do. Now we are doing Krishna's eyes. So we have the eyes should be near this. Like, see, it should be here. Okay. So we will draw Krishna's eyebrows. Eyebrows. And now it can. Okay, so after the eyebrows, now Krishna is like in sleeping. So that eyes. See, one is on the top, and you just give the second curve like that, like opposite way. Okay, that. How many of you are done with eyes?
Yes, Mataji.
Shita's done, Mataji.
Mataji, now what do we do?
Now what we do is, now comes Krishna's nose, very easy, just a dot, and we go like this and like that.
Wow, what a big nose.
Okay, we're done, Mataji.
Like that.
Krishna's now.
Yeah, one dot and it comes like a U, and you take like that and then draw like that. Then when you draw the mouth, you will get a proper face. If you see full nose, you might be thinking, why is Krishna's face like that? But after you draw the whole thing, and if you color, it will be more beautiful actually. I also didn't get time to color. I will color and send it in the group.
Mataji, I'm going to add a eye, like things inside the eye.
Yeah, you can draw normal eyes also. No problem. You can draw like beautiful eyes. Like if you want, you can just draw like that, and you draw like this, and you can keep it. Like
Can we put Krishna's eyes closed?
yeah, you can draw like this also. If you want, you can draw like that. However you like, you can draw the eyes of Krishna. No problem.
I'm going to draw them closed.
Dini Krishna also wants to do eyes open.
Mataji, what do you do next?
Next is Krishna's mouth, like
How do we draw lips?
in one line. Then it comes down like that.
There's a little palm.
Some of you wants to draw open eyes, right? So let us see how the open eyes will come. Let's see. I also didn't try. So let us open eyes.
Look at my eyes.
Let's see how it comes.
His nose is big and hot. Mataji's nose is big.
Okay, then you can draw however you like, Janet.
This Mataji.
Mataji,
Amma.
how do you make the eyes, Mataji?
Okay, I'll show you. Come, Jagannath. See, you just draw like this, okay? And then you take another. You want the beautiful eyes like that, and then you are drawing like this. Draw the eye.
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji, can you show your eyes? Like your picture?
Yes.
Mataji, how do you draw the lips?
Lips is very easy. See, show Jagannath. Like, see, you draw like this, like top like that, and then you draw a sleeping
Then you
line,
put a little bump in.
and then you just put a U here. That's it.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, actually my face has gone, Krishna's face has gone too long. It's not long, this is actually perfect. The other one has gone very long. I have to adjust this, maybe I will
What
adjust
the
after.
heck, Mama? Orders for what?
Long neck.
Yeah.
Mataji, how do you make the lips? I'm getting difficulty on the upside.
See, it is like this, just like that. Do you know how to make a tree? Like a tree.
Okay, Mataji.
If after you make like that, then you draw a sleeping line like that, and then you go down like that. You can go all the way from here to here.
Thank you, Mataji.
So we are done.
Wait, you forgot to
Okay, sorry.
Thank you, Mataji. Bye.
Oh, now we have to put the tilak.
Tilak, you can't forget Tilak.
So tilak. Sariga chupichara.
I already did that.
Yeah, so if you finish this,
I can do it.
I did that in the beginning already.
Mataji, time up, Mataji. Another 1
Okay.
minute.
Mataji, we are done. Proper time, we are done. I showed everything.
Mataji, I'm done.
You're done? Can you show me?
Mataji, this is Akshita.
This is mine. I'll put it on the thing. I'll put my name on top.
Yeah, Akshita, very nice, Akshita.
Mataji, this is Keshani.
Maybe Akshita, if you're showing somebody like this down one, it is very thin. Maybe you can make it a little bit flat. Krishna's face.
Okay, Mataji.
You can maybe adjust.
Mataji, this is Khushi. Mataji, this is Khushi's. Mataji, this is Keshavi's.
Mataji, this is Harini.
Mataji, can we end the call, Mataji?
Mataji, can I take few seconds just seeing it? Khushi's and Harini's. I'm ending.
Okay, I will spotlight them, Mataji. I'll help you.
Wow, Keshavi, very nice. Let me see Harini. Harini, very nice.
Harini, so cute. Who else is showing?
Harini, very nice.
Khushi.
She's very nice.
Mataji, can you see mine?
Ojasvi,
Really good face, Mataji.
yes. Send it in the group. Ojasvi, very nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Where is Mukund? I think Mukund also wants to check the just
Background, right? I have to put none. Then only you can show it.
Mukund.
Okay, show.
Vrinda, where is Vrinda? Prahlad, get it close to the screen. Wow, very
You
nice.
can draw it 4 times. I will send you 4 pictures.
Mukund, very nice. Prahlad, very good. Prahlad, Rai Prahlad, very nice. Who
Where
else?
is Rai Prahlad, Mataji? Oh, okay, he's here. Very
Good job,
nice,
Samskriti.
Prahlad. Very beautiful.
Yeah, Samskriti is very good. Balavrinda, where are you? She's saying she wants to show.
This is mine. This is mine. I'm not a perfect person.
Rishikesh, very nice. But all of you did very good job. I'm very proud of all of you.
This is Samskriti.
Samskriti, I've already said very good job. Samskriti, very well done. Karthik, very good.
Yours is also very nice, but can you put again, Karthik? It's very nice, Karthik. Very beautiful. All kids did so nicely. Very nice. Okay, we can end the call because we have a new session starting today for adults. So please forgive me. Hari Bol, Vancha Kalpa Sarobhyasya.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Please post your pictures.
Post your pictures in the